there guys, I'm back again, and today we are gonna unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box, and I'm gonna be honest and say I am in quite a hurry, so probably no prices mentioned in here. No, there's no price booklet, it's useless. There's some coupon code for 25% off, but I'm not interested in that either. Okay, now this is the inside of this month's box, and like I said, I am quite in a hurry. I don't have prices, so I'm just gonna show you guys the items and leave the house because I am already late. Okay, let's start off with the first thing, which I could have freaking used today, which is from Starskin, the Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. We received this item like 1,000,001 times before. Everybody and their mother knows about this item. I love me a good lip mask, so I'm very happy it's in here. Now, let's move on to I'm not even gonna pronounce this. I'm not even gonna try this right here. Okay. This is a styling cream for straight or curly hair. Okay. Very cool, because I actually do have naturally curly hair. I have wavy hair actually, but when the rain falls, I get like curls like no other. I straighten it every time I shower, or I have showered. But like I said, as soon as there's like a splash of either humidity or water on my hair, it curls like crazy. So very excited to see what this fella would do for my hair. Okay, now let's move on to oil for EH Emma Hardy Brilliance. It's really hard to read, dang. Facial oil. Okay, so this is what the oil looks like. A very small, so clearly not a full size, just a little teeny tiny sample size. Great for travel purposes, by the way. Moving on. Oh, I thought there were 2 items, but there's actually 3 more items and the box is empty. So let's start off with a brush from I can't really see what it says over here, but it's a 308 detail shader. This is what that brush looks like, and then somewhere over there, see, is the brand name. I'm not even gonna try today. Like, it's not my day, don't even. Okay, moving on to Espa. This is a refining skin polish, brightening exfoliator to refine and smooth. Okay, this is what that sucker looks like. I feel with these Espa products that we've already pretty much received every single one of them by far. So it's probably going to be a repeat. Okay, moving on to the last thing in here, which is, oh, I have to break that. There we go. Okay, it is from oh, I just now realized I broke the little seal and I didn't even look at what it was. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Sandstorm. No, the color is Sandstorm. The shade is, Jesus Christ, it's really not my day. The shade is Sandstorm, for crying out loud. But this is the Megalast Matte Lipstick. Did I just ruin the little lippies over here? I think I did. But it is, of course, how could it be, a brown tone shade. So I'm gonna keep this fella for fall. Okay guys, wow, I finished an entire video in like less than 4 minutes. It's impressive. But again, I don't have the prices of these items. If you're really that interested, look them up online. I am sorry I am in such a rush because I'm already late, but I had to film because I'm all did. I have a little book presentation to go to and I'm very excited for it. Yeah, so that is that. Sorry for the rushness, but that is life, and if I don't do this video today, then it's just not gonna happen for a really long time, and I'm already late with the other videos as well, so I just, you know, you understand. I don't want to. This is real life. This is not my work or anything. So I need to get my hair done. That's going to happen really soon, thank God. Well, really, not really soon, in like a month, but okay. Anybody got time for that? I gotta leave, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. It is linked down below. It's open worldwide, boy, girl, Martian, it doesn't matter. Tell me, what do you guys think, by the way, of these products of this month's box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!